Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Coursivio to see if it's worth your time and money in 2025 or if you just keep looking. Coursivio is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses, focusing on helping users gain practical skills in tech, business, and creative fields. What's nice about Coursivio, it's easy to navigate interface and affordable pricing, making it accessible for beginners and those who wanting upskill without breaking the bank. The courses are designed to with hands-on projects, so you're not just watching videos but actually practicing what you learn. Plus, they frequently update their content to keep up with industry trends. On the downside, the course selection is not as vast as some bigger platforms, and some advanced learners might find the material a bit basics. Customer support can also be slow at times, which could be frustrating if you run into issues. If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly platform to learn new skills with practical applications, Coursivio is worth considering. Just keep your learning goals in mind to make sure it fits what you need. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to decide about Coursivio, leave your questions in the comment and subscribe for more online learning platform, review, and guides. Catch you in the next video.